today we have Operation Confidence. Having done rehearsal, we are going to perform here. But, maybe there will not be articulation in the content. I'm sorry for that. The actual communication is communication when you convey your thoughts. But today, you don't have to worry about conveying message. But you have to be worried about expression. You have to be worried about your body language. You have to be worried about imagination. You have to be worried about overreaction. Come on. Hota kya hai, sometimes what happens, when you push yourself, when you show your body language, when you become over-expressive, that actually develops your manobal of speaking, guys, right? This learning English or the making sentences is quite easy. But, there are so many good speakers, right? But because of having inferiority complex, they're not able to convey the message, right? So today, unflinchingly, we are going to speak, right? Will you speak today?
Yes, sir.
So ladies and gentlemen, who is the first Operation Confidence starter of the day? Come on. My goodness, almost everyone.
Yes, sir.
Are you excited?
Yes, sir.
No, your excitement has turned into sweating.
No, sir.
Are you excited? Yes. Are you ready? Yes. So the first performers of the day, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite here, Mr. Rishabh. And Mr. Ramakant, please. Maybe the thing that you will speak that will not be understood by the people, but I simply want you to express confidently, okay?
Well, sir,
Please, Mr. Ramakant, the time is yours.
झन झन की सुनो झनकार, झन झन की सुनो झनकार, ये दुनिया है काला बाजार, ये पैसा बोलता है, ये पैसा बोलता है, ये पैसा बोलता है, ये पैसा बोलता है, ये दुनिया है गोल, हो, ये दुनिया है गोल, मैं भी हूँ पूरा के पूरा गोल, जो बोले खोल दूं उसका पोल, ये पैसा बोलता है, ये पैसा बोलता है, ये पैसा बोलता है.
Ladies and gentlemen,
What is this?
what is this? This is money. I also know why I am here, why you are here, why Kepsar is here. Why? Definitely you will say ki for our improvement, for our English speaking, definitely you will be people saying this. But the ultimate goal is what? Money. Why the billionaire like
Cannot pause even 0 seconds. Come on.
Speak flawlessly. Why the billionaires like Ambani, Elon Musk, all the people are really working hard. They are working in the early morning and working harder and harder. Why and labor? Why labor is going to the work for his family? Why? Just because of this money. A poor cannot get his treatment done in any private hospital. Because why? The reason is simple. Because he does not have money. So my ladies and gentlemen,
In this world, in this era, if you have no money, you know power of this note. What is this? What is this, man? Just stand up.
Yes.
What is this?
Yes.
What is this?
This is money.
Arey, what is this? This is money. This is the power of this world.
Show me the power.
Of course.
Power of money.
If you have this money, you know power of Mahatma Gandhi is here.
I don't know.
If you have no money, nobody give you respect. Nobody give you love. But
even your wife, even your family, even your mom and dad, even your friends.
I have not got married.
Even if you are not married, the Kepsar is married. The Kepsar is married. If the Kepsar does not have money now, his friends, his family member, everyone is going to leave him. Why? Because he does not have the money. So ladies and gentlemen, know the importance of the money. Know the importance of this money. Whichever skill you have, if you have the study power, if you have the bodybuilding skill, if you have the business skill, work upon it. Right? And learn and know the importance of the money and work every day for these things.
Ladies and gentlemen, you can see the situation of mine. You can see the situation of mine. I have no money really. You can see our body structure. You can see my body structure really.
Yes, we are.
Because I have no money, man. I have no money. Why you are here? Because of money. Ladies and gentlemen, firstly, what is your work? Firstly, you should earn lots of money. Firstly, you should earn lots of money. Then then anybody give you love, respect. Then anybody talk to you. Just start.
All right. I would like to invite who wants to come. Yes, Mr. Sawakat.
खुरी को कल बुलंद इतना, खुरी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से पूछेगा बता तेरी रजा क्या है.
Ladies and gentlemen, how are you? Are you fine? Today, sir gave us one topic. What is? Operation Confidence. Do you know about confidence? What is confidence? What is confidence? If confidence is the most important thing in this world, if you have confidence, you can do anything. We can see our teacher. Today he is here. Why? Because his confidence. He teaches us. He teaches us. Why? Because his confidence. And any person can do anything in this world because of his confidence. If we don't have any confidence, we can't do anything. Any person, if he has confidence that he can be a Prime Minister of India, yes, because of his confidence, he can be a Prime Minister of India. We can see Narendra Modi ji. He thought in his childhood what he thought that one day I will become a Prime Minister of India. So he has a confidence, and today we see he is a Prime Minister of India. Yeah, confidence. What is confidence? Without confidence, we can't do anything in this world. Without confidence, we can't survive in this world. If we have confidence, we are here. Why? Because of our confidence. We have confidence that we can learn English, we can speak English. We have confidence that we become a public speaker front of people. We have confidence. So this confidence, because of this confidence, we are all here to learn English, to improve English.
Confidence is not about only for professional and leaders. Confidence is all about all of us. If you have a confidence, you can do that you want. If you have confidence, you achieve what you want. If you don't have that confidence, you don't achieve that you want. If you have a confidence, then you have do what you want. If you have confidence, you can do that you want.
If you have confidence, you can lead people. If you have confidence, you can rule all the people. If you have confidence, you can rule all over the world. Why? If you have confidence, you can rule all over the world. Doesn't matter you have educated person or uneducated person, doesn't matter. But if you have confidence, lots of confidence, you can survive and you can rule all over the India. We can see Modi ji. Because of his confidence, today, or I think 2014, from 2014, he is ruling all over the India. Why? Because his confidence. So confidence is very compulsory.
Confidence is not building overnight. Confidence is built day by day, brick by brick. Build with the help of when you want to build in your inner soul, I want to become a confident person, then you have to become a person of confidence. Okay?
And right now we are doing like these activities. Why build our confidence? And sir making us activities. Why build our confidence? If we know lots of grammar, if we know lots of rules of English, but we don't have any confidence, we never be able to speak to English language. If you want to speak English language, you should be a confident person. You should be a confidence. You should have confidence. If you have confidence, you can speak. You can speak front of any person. You can speak when you have confidence.
I think this Operation Confidence is working, guys. It's working. It's working, guys. Come on. You are panacea for me, you know. Maximum, you are boosting my confidence now. Come on, guys. This level of confidence can make my confidence to do more things, guys. Come on. So make me feel that, yes, you're performing well. The next, and try to do better than them, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, we have Needu.
जिंदगी में आके जिंदगी हो जिंदगी बदल दी. This song is not dedicated to someone. This song is not dedicated to someone. This song is dedicated to my journey. This song is dedicated to my love. This song is dedicated to my changes. This song is dedicated to my growth. That is Zindagi. So good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Neetu Verma. I am from Gazipur. And good morning, my respected sir. And good morning, my YouTube family. So of course, my topic is life. Why I choose this topic, life?
Oh my God!
Because we are alive. Because we are survive. Because we are live also. So ladies and gentlemen, what is life? Life is a journey till birth to death. Life is a precious gift that is valued in our life.
Yes.
And also this is a life to grow till little to young. And also this is a life to be poor to rich. And also this is a life to be young to old. So well, ladies and gentlemen, she is my partner Rupali, and of course she will also add some valuable points to make valuable the meaning of the word that is life. So go ahead.
She is my friend Neetu. She already highlight her point, but I want to add my point to highlight my point. Life is very beautiful, guys. If you want to do something in your life, you focus your target, you focus your goal. Life is a very discovery in your life. जीनी है तो जिंदगी खुद के लिए जियो. जीनी है तो जिंदगी खुद के लिए जियो. Every moment, every pulse you store in your life. You can do in your life. Life is very beautiful. Don't blame in your life. You should be focused in your life. Like as तुझसे नाराज नहीं जिंदगी हो परेशान हूँ.
जिंदगी एक कठपुतली की तरह है. जिंदगी एक कठपुतली की तरह है. मिल जाए तो सोना, मिल जाए तो मिट्टी, ना मिले तो सोना. So ladies and gentlemen, life is a beautiful. Life is a kind of experience. That you experience, that you feel, that you learn, that is life. That you learn in your journey. That you learn in your journey, that you apply in your journey, and that you do in your journey everything that is life. So guys, life is very beautiful, life is very precious. That's all.
Hello guys.
How the Josh? How the Josh? You don't have Josh? What about you? No, you don't have Josh. You don't have energy. So today, I am going to talk about, I am going to speak a very beautiful topic. Do you know what is this?
भाई रुक जाओ, क्या आके बोल दो, मैं देखना चाहता हूँ पूरी बॉडी आपकी।
Really?
बहुत खतरनाक कॉन्फिडेंस, yes.
So today, I am going to talk about, I am going to tell you very special topic, very unique topic. Do you know what is this?
Operation Confidence.
Operation Sindhu. Operation.
No, of course no.
Sorry, sir.
So let me tell you guys, this is topic how to develop your confidence, how to develop your communication skill. So guys, let me tell you, if you want to develop your communication skill in any language, you know why are you here? You are here because of learning English.
Yes.
So many people think I don't need English grammar. What is this? It is not nothing like that. First you have to have knowledge of English grammar. Then you have to practice. Practice. More practice, 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 everywhere practice, just like crazy. Yes.
Excuse me. How can you say that? If you don't have a knowledge, I have a confidence. I can do anything everywhere. You can see how yes, confidence. Yes, that is the called confidence. Otherwise, laga.
So guys, let me tell you, if you have good communication skill, you can do anything. You can make angry that man by your communication skill. You can make laugh by capture by your communication skill. You can make a man cry by your communication skill. So that's the power of communication skill. If you have good communication skill, so you can do anything in your life. You can do anything in this world, unique.
Yes.
So do you know Rahul Gandhi? Once someone said Rahul Gandhi is Pappu. But that man accepted, yes, I am Pappu. Yes, I am Pappu. Can you imagine the power of his mentality? Can you imagine? So I would say, if you want to develop your communication, just practice everywhere.
Right.
Don't think you are here only for English. Don't think. No. You are here for developing your communication skill, developing your confidence.
Listen to me.
Yes.
If you have a knowledge, you can go outside.
Yes,
you
of
know
course.
how he is staying performer on the stage, how people are looking at him. You can go outside, everything, everywhere, out of country, just like me. I am where? I am from Uganda. You don't know, okay?
Yes, yes.
You can develop by your communication. You can develop your communication skill by your knowledge. Yes, you can see. You can research by the English language. You can go everywhere. You look like the villagers people. How they are confident. They are speaking. All right. You can see. Villagers people and town people. What is the difference between them, among them? How they are speaking. Look like a labru jabru. Yes, look like you. You don't have confidence as well as.
Yes, I have.
You don't have.
How you say I don't have confidence? I have.
No.
I can't do anything
What you can do? Anything?
because of my confidence, because of my communication skill.
Without knowledge, how can you do?
Yes, I can do. I have knowledge. How could you say I don't have knowledge?
You don't have any oxygen.
Yes. You don't have confidence, guys. Confidence. Take confidence. Take confidence. Take confidence.
No, without you oxygen, you cannot survive in your life. We cannot food. You don't have food. You cannot water. You don't have water, food. You cannot survive. What you do with confidence?
Yes.
Tell me. Where is your confidence? I have a lots of knowledge. I can do everything.
Oh my goodness, how could
my
you
goodness.
say I don't have confidence?
No,
How could you say?
more.
You are Uganda
like
person.
me.
You are Uganda person. You don't know the power of Indian.
You don't have?
Okay?
You don't know everything.
Yes.
You don't have discriminate me. Okay? Don't discriminate me. I am also the people of me. Right now, the Uganda and the world.
Oh my
Yes.
goodness.
Oh my goodness. What do you want to say? You are discriminating always me. I can defeat you. Oh my
Okay.
goodness, really?
Really?
Yes, you can because you have confidence.
That is
Yes,
that
you
is
can.
confident.
Every person that have confident, he can do anything. He can do anything.
All
If you,
Achikos, good efforts, good efforts. Now the next one. Can we invite
मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा है वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन, इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा मन मेरा तन। ऐ वतन ऐ वतन ऐ वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन, इसकी धरती से बने तेरे मेरे ये बदन, इसकी धरती तेरे मेरे वास्ते गगन, इसने ही सिखाया हमको जीने का चलन, जीने का चलन, इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा मन मेरा तन। ऐ वतन ऐ वतन ऐ वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन।
भारत माता की इनकलाब! भारत माता की! भारत माता की! वंदे! वंदे! वंदे!
Yes.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to do operation with Operation Confidence.
Confidence.
And yes, we have a partner, Mr. Brijesh sir.
And she is Miss Salu.
So we have Indian flag,
Yes.
and we are going to discuss, and we are going to tell you about Indian flag. So guys,
Yes.
you can see
You can see.
the color of Indian nation, the color of Indian flag. It's a saffron color, and it shows the courage, the satisfaction,
Strength.
the strength,
Sacrifice.
the sacrifice of Indian army.
Yes. We.
And that is the saffron color.
Yes. We should never forget the sacrifice of India.
The second one. Let me know you. So guys, let me know you. The second one. The white. And what is this? It is a peace.
Truth.
It is a truth. It is a peace. It is a piece of our India. And the third one. What is this? It is a green. It's a kind of haryali.
It represents the fertility of the crop of the India. And India is known over the world for the agriculture.
And let me know you.
Let me tell you.
Let me tell you, we have a three beautiful color. We can connect easily.
And you can see that we have chakra on the national flag, which symbolize the progress and changes. And also we have 4 spokes in chakra, which symbolize 24 hours of the day. And now we have a Ugandan people. Ugandan people. Actually, this man disrespect our this national flag. And you are doing disrespect.
And let me tell you, ma'am, what you have? This is your glass?
Yes, sir.
Could you please give me?
Yes, sir, please.
Oh God. It is like India.
Yes.
When I put on, if you are Kalua, I don't care. If you are Hindu, I don't care. If you are Muslim, I don't care. If you are upper class, if you are middle class, doesn't matter. If you are Indian.
Yes.
And let me tell you, guys, when you are celebrating and when you are respecting our Indian flag, could you please tell me?
15th August.
Okay. We have a 365 days. And only 26 Jan and 15 August, these the people, they are the people.
This is the Bihari people who only celebrate.
On 15 August.
This is the Bihari people who only celebrate national festival on only 26th of January and 15 August.
It means
And
I always celebrate
don't celebrate. Yeah.
So energy! If you are respecting our Indian flag, so you should speak. What? Oh God, you can see. Oh God, oh God, oh God,
Actually,
oh
he is
God.
not
You
Indian.
can see.
He is not Indian. He is
Yes.
not Indian. He is only
Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you!
I know. You don't know. You don't know. Because you are only Bihari people. You consider yourself as a Bihari people.
This is my everything.
Yes.
Yes!
It's our flag. It's our flag.
My country.
Yes.
Because I'm Indian.
Yes, you are
we
Indian.
are Indian.
Yes, we are Indian.
We are proud to be Indian.
Yes.
We are proud to be Indian.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Yes, yes, we are Indian. Yes, we are Indian. So guys, if you are really Indian, so please respect from
Yes.
what are your hearts, by your hearts, by your words. So guys, just
You are brave. We are brave. Camp sir is also brave because we are Indian.
we are Indians.
Yeah.
So guys, that
It's
is
all about our
all
side.
side. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
And please be respect our Indian flag. Thank you.